Now we're still talking about in this illustration spliced conductors in accordance with NEC 230.46. Now let's review the existing meter, maybe say to the left. And we have highlighted there, new meter-based splices should be permitted. Relocation of this existing meter basically is going to be inside to the outside is shown in the illustration. But now notice we come down through the meter, and then notice that we have a weatherhead there. And we are splicing the conductors to the weatherhead, supporting them properly, and routing them over to the other weatherhead and connecting to the service entrance conductors there that are routed down to the main, and the grounded or neutral conductor is terminated and we're connected to ground. Then we're relocating the old meter base before being relocated. We see there's where we're going to replace it. Sometimes by the approval of the utility, those meter bases sometimes may be allowed in a special location inside because they read them now remotely. Where they used to come out and have to actually read the meter before technology allowed otherwise, they had to be readily accessible to whoever was walking those meters and taking the readings. So what we're basically doing is relocating our meter, or it's going to be a sub-meter. But we would take the existing meter to the left and it would become more of a pull box, junction box, and then we would route and splice as you see in the illustration. And that's what our figure 6-24 is showing, that we are splicing at each weatherhead, splicing the service conductors, and then notice we are relocating to the meter where the authority having jurisdiction and the utility agree that it could be relocated.